Hey, what's up? Simi here. So again, now I'm at the Mi offline store. They just released the Redmi K30 Ultra and Xiaomi 10 Ultra, right? So I'm here now to do a hands-on of the two phones, but I'm not gonna do a detailed one about the Mi 10 Ultra. Just this Redmi K30 Ultra. Okay, Redmi K30 Ultra. Yes, clear. So first I'm gonna change it to English. Okay, English. So the device model is MIUI 12. The screen resolution is 2400 by 1080p. The screen size is 6.67 inches. The battery is 4500 mAh. CPU Dimensity 1000 plus. This is not a Qualcomm Snapdragon. The rear camera is 64 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Alright, so I've just asked the staff from Xiaomi here and what the highlights of this Redmi K30 Ultra, and she told me the first one is of course the 120Hz refresh rate, and I already in this page see they have the demo of this. This is 60Hz and this is 120Hz, so it's way smoother than the 60, but of course it will be more battery consuming. And the second highlight is they've changed from the previous chipset to the Dimensity 1000 plus, and that should be really more powerful and good for gaming, those things. And the third is they've added a speaker. Now it's dual speaker. Okay, it's off. Alright, that's it. And despite all of these upgrades, it maintains the best price for you guys. So for the price and available, check out the link in the description. Mi 10 Ultra. So they have three colors: silver, transparent. Can you see the transparent one? The transparent and the black, the ceramic black. So this is the phone. The main upgrade is the camera. So for the camera, I will just put the comparison photo samples and video samples from iPhone Tech, and you can check out. Huge thanks to iPhone Tech. They have done a great job on this. They even have a black box, so just put your phone here so you can see their strong ability to process in extreme dark condition. You see, it's all dark here, you cannot see anything, but if I put the camera here, you see, amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Yeah, they have a photo in this black box. (120Hz refresh rate).